I'm Daniela Geiger. I'm Product and Service Manager at Vetter Pharma, and I'm happy to be here at Pharmapack 2025.
Hi, I'm Tobias Nemeth. I'm leading the Primary Packaging Development Department at Vetter, and it's just great to be back at Pharmapack. Besides the fact that it's wonderful to be back at Pharmapack, today is a very special day for us because we have announced the OVS Next, the next evolution of our proprietary syringe closure system OVS, which has helped shape the market for the last 20 years.
Yeah, and as Tobias said, we're just happy to be here to collect market feedback, to talk to our customers, to see what impressions they have, and have also an expansion of our product portfolio with the VOVS Next. So innovation is essential to keep our product portfolio up to date and ongoing. And so we heard to different customers. We wanted to understand what the market needs in this direction of the closure system. So the feedback we got and what is important in here is that product and a closure should be easy to use, easy to administrate, easy to open, and all those kinds of feedbacks we integrated in our product portfolio, in our new development, and this is what we are presenting here today.
We have modified the product quite significantly. From a design perspective, we have become more user-centric, which means OVS Next is now more intuitive to open. We also reduced the forces that it needs to open the device, while the closure system sits very tight on the syringe cone.
For us, it was very important and very useful as well to talk with our main stakeholders, our main customers in the early process of the development of the closure system. That allowed us to understand the main market needs, but also their expectations. What is needed and how can we support them, bringing their products to life, their products to launch. And we basically identified three aspects which were essential in the development phase. One is in terms of functionality of the system. The second was in terms of security, and the third in terms of usability. So we implemented that in our concept, which we are presented in here, and we are very happy to have this launched in the future and also bringing this product to the next level.
We have already performed a first human factor study with OVS Next, and we tested for one key factor, and that was if our user group was able to open OVS Next intuitively. And so they did, each one of them, indicating that the product is really intuitive to open. And we also compared it to its predecessor, to the OVS, and it succeeded the results of its predecessor by various different parameters. So we're very happy for these results. With the positive results from our human factor testing, we now enter into design freeze, making ourselves available for commercial production. So we currently target a commercial launch within the year 2027.
So thank you very much for watching. We are so happy to present the VOVS Next here at Pharmapack to you. We are so excited about that. So if you want more information about the VOVS Next, please visit our website, and there's more information in that, and we are very happy to keep in touch.